Uh, Okay, so we've done Smart Route Pro, which is basically a sustainable route planner, which aims on reducing the carbon emission when you travel from one place to another. So we've designed it in such a way. So we will, this is the main page of this. This is the intro page.
So on this page, I've used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build this page. So these are the features our platform offers, and so yeah, you have all of this which have been like created using developments, and we have a lot of features starting with the eco chatbot, which we run it on a React in a separate local host server, and so we'll go there.
Okay, so this is our Eco Route Assistant, which is a chatbot that we built using React, and you can ask it any question
So you can ask it,
related
yeah.
to the website. And for a sample,
Yeah, we also have questions that are predefined, or you can ask questions. So, for example, if we just give it, yeah, so it just gives you answers for the route that you have used. And
yes.
then so now we go back here, and then we have this routes page, which was built by Sri.
Okay, so this is the main page, and this is how you determine the routes. And in this, you put in the start location, the end location, and like the different types of vehicles. If you have any stops, if you're gonna travel by air, or like how much weight you're carrying, everything. And this is built on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using API calls. And when you click on plan route, it takes actually 2 to 3 minutes to this thing, because we get real time data, and since we are getting real time data, it takes time to process and plan the route accordingly, which is why we've already
We have already planned it and like got the outputs for Chennai to Mumbai, and it starts from here, and you have like two different routes, and then you reach the output using row. And so when it finishes, it also like generates a report based on which thing is first, and it automatically downloads it into your system shown here.
yeah.
So you have so you have like two segments. So it has the outputs for it, and it shows which vehicle is recommended and what is the total cost for the fuel use. So you can save on costs also, and also on CO2 emissions.
Okay. So now we'll go
Yeah,
back
so
to
we'll just go back to a thing. And so, oh yeah. And so the route
yeah.
for Chennai to Trichy has been generated here along with the live traffic data. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
now
So we
we
have modules here. And so we have this forecast module which is gonna like forecast the prices of your stock for the next 1 month based on your last 10 years. So we have use use the LSTM model here, and we have download the weights, and if you like give the input accordingly, it's gonna give you the output and the predictions. And I have built this page also using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as you can see. So this is the features on this page, and it's gonna give the output because the model weights have already been trained, and we have also used the real companies last 10 years forecast to like give the output. Yeah, so it's like going into the pre-trained model.
yeah.
Okay, so
So
yeah, so this is a report that's been generated, and like it's the forecast that we have done.
you can download this.
Yeah, so we have used time series forecasting for it, and then we again go back, and then we have this warehouse
Okay,
management.
so
So again,
this warehouse management was created by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript again, and this is based on like the routes that you particularly give and the CSV file that you've uploaded before, and based on that, it gives you like the different vehicle types and like the warehouse details which are pertaining to that certain route or to that certain data.
yeah, and it also gives you what types of vehicles you use, and like what are the weights that needs to be transferred. It has different vehicles for fresh fruits and vegetables, and for also like the normal electronics, etc. And it also suggests you vehicles based on the inputs that you provide. Yeah, and so we finally have this a priori. which is like suggesting what inputs you should take based on
This
what
was
the
also
customers
built
about.
on like
Yeah, and
HTML,
yeah,
CSS,
so
and
it's also
JavaScript.
built on HTML, CSS, and like JavaScript. And so here we give input as like market basket optimization, which is what the customers have bought. And it like if you give run a priori based on all these conditions, it's gonna like show you what you have to like restock your things based on what the customers have bought. And so you can also like restock your warehouse dynamically, adjustable according to this. So it just helps you like reduce waste and then also your emission costs because you're gonna transport them. So yeah.
Okay, so this was our entire project, and here we shared the workload equally amongst each other. Most of the project, like I would say, like 90% of this project was done on HTML, CSS, and
JavaScript,
JavaScript. Uh,
except the
except the
chatbot
chatbot,
which
which
was
was
built on
built on
React,
React,
and then we
and
like
yeah,
backend
yeah,
selected
so
using Flask.
yeah, we've used Flask for the backend since we have a lot of Python files. So here I would say that we both took on equal responsibilities, but we also came together to uphold each other's shortcomings. So here we would say we used most HTML, CSS, JavaScript because that is the language we were most comfortable in, and it was the language we most practiced in, and we could um, do a
Apply
lot,
it more easily.
apply it more easily. So yeah,
Yeah, okay, then thank
thank
you.
you.